This is a recap for live stream 284, and we've had to reset the account at the start of the stream. And with that, we had a new account up at 300. We've picked up 16. It doesn't completely explain the day. We came into the market, one of the changes we made, and we went down to a 10-second chart. I went down to a 10-second chart and we tried to trade momentum. What we saw, came into the market around about 10 a.m., which is a pretty standard for us at the moment. Had a long trade here. Thought we could get up to the 124.75. The original target was up at the 132s. Prices rallied. Didn't quite get there. 2 ticks away. So 124.25 rather than 124.75. Prices pulled back. Was stopped out. Then went short on this trigger here. Was stopped out again. So that was pretty frustrating. Started the day in a drawdown. Then went short. Target was hit. Went short again. Adjusted my stop to break even. Stopped out at break even. Had a level down here at 37.25. Decided not to buy at that level. It's not quite the level I was looking for. So had a long period of waiting. Then went long here. Was looking to target the 120.50 to pick up 20 points. 1-to-1 target would have been hit up at the 115.50s. Once we got to 115.50, adjusted my stop to break even. Prices came down, hit the break even stop. And so rather than take profit, I ended up taking a break even out of frustration after missing out on what I perceived were pretty much guaranteed profits. I then went long. As prices continued down, price came down towards a stop, closed it for a loss. Took 11 loss there out of somewhat revenge. After which, had a setup short. Price came down, hit the target. Had another period of waiting as prices retested 37, found support, retested 37, found support. Broke above these highs here. Prices started to fail, didn't give me a long setup. Instead, what it did do was give me a short setup. As I was trying to calculate the stops and the target, my default take profit was hit all the way down here, slightly before the 20,000 mark. And that was pretty much it. That's all the trades I took today. Came in, made adjustments, decided to trade momentum on a 10-second chart. And if we have a look at our trade performance, we can see here day didn't start well, drew all the way down to 31, managed to get back up to 16, drew down again to 28, and through a series of winning trades was able to get the account to plus 16. Over on the summary page, accuracy, let's start at the top. So long trades, we lost. We were successful on short trades. Positive profit factor. Accuracy, that's fairly poor, not even near 50%. Accuracy is at 23%. But surprisingly, the average win is several multiples of the average loss, 4.49. So I've not seen that. I think that's the highest I've ever had through a period. So that's pretty good. And the largest win to largest loss, that's pretty good also. Time in the market less than 1 minute. It's what I would expect trading the 10-second chart. So that pretty much wraps up the recap here. So the next video should be tomorrow. And I'll continue to trade the 10-second charts, looking for momentum plays. And with that said, thanks for watching. Good luck trading. Have a great day.